Let's go. You are young. Let's go 100%.
So here we are in the NCC at the National Institute of Circus Arts, and behind me you can see the space is absolutely, there is a buzz in the air as we have members of the Cirque du Soleil cast working with our students, having networking and training opportunities.
So for 3 times, and then we're gonna go like 1, 2, 3, 4.
So Australia and NICA has such a rich history of creating world-class circus artists, and we're lucky enough today to be joined with Nelson, one of our alumni touring with Cirque at the moment, and he's here and he's showing off all of his best hoop diving skills, and I can tell you they are loving it.
Yeah, you know, everything that we did, everyone was on board. Wow, woo! That was one of the best days of my life. Kids are so good, we had an absolute blast. They did some things better than I could ever do. I'm so thankful to be able to come back to NICA and do something like this. This place is my home, so to be able to give to the next generation of circus is a very special thing for me.
And so you can directly try from the beginning. Yes. There's a trick called
Ladies, to do that, comfortable, right? But that one is
Everything that you take from the internet, make sure you give something back. So like Cilios and everyone is saying, give something that is only yours back to the pool that you draw from as well, so that you can inspire the next person that grabs what you've got.
No matter what is your goal, where you want to go with your skills, everything is really possible. Just believe in yourself, do your things the way you like it.
So these types of collaborations, reaching out to our circus families and industries at a time like this has been such an amazing breath of fresh air. Being able to share stories, skills and networking. We really appreciate the work that we're doing with Cirque, and we really encourage the partnership to continue.